guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Alisha. In today's video, I want to do something fun. I saw this thing on Instagram. I don't know if it's trending or if it's just like one person that did it, because I think I saw it twice and I only think it was the same person twice, so I don't know if it's like a big thing or not. But I really wanted to try to bedazzle my baby hairs. It looks so cute and it looks so fun. And I know that I do crazy hairstyles and I just do fun hairstyles with my hair, so I thought it would be fun to also add more, because I do crazy stuff with my hair like this. I also have my nape cut green. I always color my nape cut, so I like to express myself through my hair and have fun through my hair. It's fun. So I thought bedazzling my baby hairs would be so cute, because I'm somebody who, no matter if my hair is done or if I have a retwist or anything, my baby hairs is always done. Like, I do my baby hairs every day. You know how if a guy looks like a hot mess and they look rough, but they go with a lining and they look so much better? That's like my version of baby hairs. Like, that's what baby hairs does for me. It kind of brings my look back together. No matter how bad my hair looks up top, this kind of makes me look put together. When I saw that somebody bedazzled their baby hair, I was like, ooh, that's cute. I want to try that. So we're gonna try that today. So the first thing I have to do is actually swoop my baby hairs. If you can see, they are not done. These are yesterday's baby hairs. They look full. Y'all can get 2 in 1. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my baby hairs, and then I'm going to try to bedazzle them. I have some stuff over here to bedazzle my baby hairs, and yeah, so let's do the swooping first. So to swoop my baby hairs, I've been using this edge booster, and this is the scent Sweet Peach scent, and it is a strong water-based pomade. This is by Style Factor. You guys know what this is. If you know hair and you're into hair stuff, you know what this is. I love this stuff. If you can see, this is like, you see how far down that is that I've used? Like, and I just use a regular traditional edge brush that everybody uses. Not traditional, but you know, everybody uses toothbrushes. So then this company came out with their like double-ended, so super cute. So I just usually brush my hair in the direction while it's dry and there's no product on it. I brush my hair in the direction that I know I'm gonna actually swoop my curls. And my baby hairs, you'll see I have baby hairs, well, all across my hairline, but these two, this one goes this way and this one goes this way. So I swoop my baby hair in the direction that they go. I don't force them to go in a different direction, because I feel like that's what's gonna make them lift up and that's what's gonna make it not last all day. So exactly which direction my hair falls is the direction that I swoop my baby hair in. But yeah, once I comb my hair in the direction, like I fake like I'm swooping it just to get it lay flat, because I realize when I don't do that, it basically causes me to use more product than I have to. So if I manipulate my hair, and this, I wouldn't even say this is manipulating, because this, like I said, I'm following the way it goes, but those are the terms I'm going to use. When I manipulate my hair, it's already there, so I don't have to use more product to get it there. It's already there. So then I go in and I add the product right on top, just like I did, and I just get a little bit. And I don't really know an amount that I use, because I use what I need. But like I said, I am the type of person that less is more, so I try not to use a lot. This right here, I've had this for a year, I think. I've had this for a year. So, and you see, less is more, and it's what I use every day. I don't use anything else. So yeah, I'm just placing this right over top of it and manipulating it with my hand to just push it in. And then I go in and I just swoop. My baby hairs are swooped. That's as good as it's gonna get, because I don't want to mess with it too much, because like I said, my hair is freshly done. So the more I manipulate my baby hairs, the more of my baby hairs are gonna like come out of my locks, and I need it to last as long as possible. I always try to separate these two swoops right here, like boom, boom, but it always kind of stays together, because that's just how my hair is. So I try, but like I said, I try to work with my hair, not against my hair. Don't just assume because somebody got baby hairs that they good at it. Like, I just swoop them and I go. So I'm not somebody who like pays too much attention to it. So yeah, they could be done better, especially for what I'm about to do, but I'm not that good at it, y'all. I just be swooping my hair. So for my baby hairs, I have these little things right here. Let's see if I can show y'all. These are rhinestones, like for your nails. I also have these like really pretty colorful things, and then another one that is also for your nails, and these are like gold and silver rhinestones. So I'm not gonna use the gold and silver ones. Wow, I'm not gonna use the gold and silver ones or the colorful ones. I'm just saying, in the future, if you ever see my hair like done crazy. Like I could low-key match some of these green ones with the back of my nail and make it really pretty, but I'm not gonna do anything extra today. I cannot talk. I'm not gonna do anything extra today. Today I'm gonna do the basic rhinestones that I've seen in the picture, and I'm really excited to try this out. I need to decide what, I'm gonna look at the picture again, but I need to decide what size rhinestone I'm gonna use. This is too bright. To apply the rhinestones on my hair, I'm going to be using this like wig bonder. This is the stuff that people use to glue down their lace wigs. I thought this would be a really good idea. Courtney had this stuff because Courtney was gonna start doing man unit. So she had this sitting around and she's like, babe, do you want this or do you know anybody who needs it? And I was like, I can use it for something. And then I saw this and I'm like, I'm gonna use this for that. If not, I think that eyelash glue would work. If you do like a little dot, I think that will work. And I also think that the way people use got to be glued to also help their wig stay down, this could be used for that as well, the got to be glued. I'm also going to be using a wax pencil. This is it looks like a white color pencil, but it's actually a white wax pencil, which people use these to pick up the rhinestones and put it on your nails when they're doing your nails. So I thought it would be a good idea to use to help me stick these onto my hairline. So again, I'm going to pop the picture on the screen so you guys can see it, but this is what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm really probably not going to talk too much because there's really nothing to talk about. It's really just about you guys watching me do it, and I've been talking a lot anyway, but that's because I miss y'all, and my last few videos have just been hair videos, so I'm just really talking to y'all because I miss y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through this and do it because I'm really excited. I'm gonna go in with like these two sizes right here, which I'll show you on my finger. That size. Hi. What do you think about me rhinestoning my baby hairs?
I think that shit wrong as fuck.
Yeah. I'm excited. You feel so good. I'm clean. Oh no! Stay down. We got one. I don't know, guys. I'm only gonna do one swoop at a time. That way the glue doesn't dry down too fast. I'm gonna do one swoop at a time of glue, and then I'm gonna put the rhinestones on. Then we're gonna do the next swoop of glue. So yeah. So I did them all. I just used my tweezers to like push them down and make sure they were flat. And because some of them I just let the glue kind of like attach them and like let them stay there, but I didn't push them down. So they were kind of lifted a little bit because I didn't want to like make, this glue is super sticky. I know that sounds stupid saying glue is super sticky, but this glue is like super sticky, like. So yeah, this is it, guys. Look at it. Let me zoom in. Definitely the person who originated this, or the person that I have, maybe this person didn't originate it, but the person that I have in the picture, hers definitely look way better than mine, but I'm an amateur. I'm sure those were professionally done by a hairstylist. I'm not a hairstylist. But yeah, I like them. For me to be a, you know, amateur, average, I like them. I like them a lot. It's so cute. Now imagine like a super pretty like makeup face with this, and it's just, it's so freaking cute. And people would be like, when they see you, they'd be like, what the hell? I want to put one more rhinestone right there. I feel like it doesn't look right if I don't, so I'm gonna have to just go back in there. And it didn't stick. Great. But yeah, guys, so this is the end of the video. I just wanted to try something cool and new and cute and just do something fun. And you guys also got a 2-in-1 video. You also got to finally see how I do my baby hairs, which was not that special of a video, but I'm glad I got to make it fun. I'm probably gonna do this more often, like not often, but often, because this is cute as hell. Like I really like the way this looks. And whoever invented this is a very talented and creative individual, and I'm very grateful, because I'm going to be using your idea. You're very talented, very creative. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.